Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use data fields on your Garmin device. Data fields are crucial for displaying real-time metrics during your activities, helping you track performance and progress. They are fully customizable, allowing you to see exactly what you need, whether it's your current heart rate, pace, distance covered, or elevation gain. Understanding and setting up these fields correctly will significantly enhance your training and overall activity tracking experience, making your Garmin an even more powerful tool. Customizing your data fields is straightforward. First, navigate to your activity profiles on your Garmin device. From there, you can select the number of data fields you want to display on each screen, typically ranging from one large field to up to 8 smaller ones. You then choose specific metrics from a vast array of options, such as speed, cadence, or power output. Finally, arrange them in an order that prioritizes the information most important to you during your workout. Different activities benefit from different data field setups. For runners, essential fields often include current pace, total distance, elapsed time, and heart rate. Cyclists frequently monitor speed, cadence, power, and total ascent. Swimmers might focus on distance, stroke rate, and their SWOLF score. Remember, you can also dedicate a screen to navigation or a detailed map, ensuring you always stay on course during your adventures. To truly maximize your data field use, prioritize the metrics most relevant to your current activity and training goals. Avoid cluttering your screens with too many fields. Focusing on 3 to 5 essential metrics per screen often provides the best readability. Experiment with various layouts to discover what works best for your personal preferences. Regularly review and adjust your data field settings as your training evolves, ensuring they always support your performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.